My name is Sean Smith. I live in Meridian, Mississippi. In this house, we live just outside Meridian, Mississippi. I live with my mama and my dad and my little brother. It's a pretty day, so we thought that we might show you around our house. Our farm. This is our front pond, and my dad and me fish a lot here. This year we usually don't catch very much fish, but maybe a month ago or a few weeks, my dad caught a middle-sized fish, but I don't know if we're ever gonna catch any more big fishes. He sometimes did some nibbles or some jiggles, but he never really catches any. But he's a good fisherman anyway. This is a tree where I once saw a snake. It wasn't poison, but it was scary. I ran all the way up to the house, looking back every few minutes. That was scary. And this was the part of the place where I saw the snake. It just slithered down right into the lake. Didn't see its head, but I saw its tail. And I've also tied lots of brim here. And I sometimes saw brim here. That was hard to do. I fished here lots of times. Hang on, and I'll show you my waterfall. Okay? This is the bench that me and my dad sat on when we were roasting marshmallows when we went camping. We were up there when we were camping, but the campfire was down here. It was fun. And I'm going to show you what my whole camp looks like while we go exactly down it. This is my favorite place in the waterfall. Except that if these trees hadn't been covered this, it would have been a better one. But Mother Nature never forgives water. Just certain of that. I don't know why. The reason I like it so much is because it's a big one. And it holds lots of water. This is the swamp. Now the water from the waterfall goes across from there. Goes down there and gets into the waterfall. And the rain, and there is lots of tunnels from this. It's probably an underground tunnel. At least from here up through there and around and goes through into there. And so this is the swamp. And the rain helped to make it too. I guess nature is sometimes messy. This place is fun to me because I can find different trails, and sometimes it might lead to different stuff. And the reason is I just like walking around here because it's windy and it's shady and it's cool. Well, this is the bad pond. And my dad said that he once caught an 8-pound bass. I don't know how big it was. I'm gonna have to jump. Fish were fat. Well, I hope you liked the tour. On behalf of the Smith family, I'm John Smith.